We trimmed her nails, which is certainly the most common thing that we're dealing with most birds. And blunted the tip of her beak a little bit also. Her beak is not abnormal, it's just that she gets some significant sharp points on there that when she's standing on my arm or reaching for something, if she rubs her beak across me, it can be a little ouchy, so just blunting the tip a little bit so that it's not quite as crazy. I don't really have to trim wings on her because she's a feather chewer, so she does a nice job chewing her own feathers, so she can't fly. I don't worry about her flying. Clipping their wings is no different than, in terms of what the bird feels, is no different than cutting your hair. There's no nerve endings in a fully grown feather. The dangers around the house of flying into the kitchen, flying into a ceiling fan, flying into a window, that sort of thing can cause intense harm to a bird. So keeping them from being able to fly keeps them out of dangers like that. For most birds, the last 8 feathers on the end of their wings, that's the ones that they get the majority of their lift from. And so trimming the feathers inside that does nothing for flight. The last 8 feathers are the ones that they get all their lift from, so those are the ones that we generally have to trim.